బోర్డ్ ఈ రోజు ఇలానే ఉంటది, దానికి ఎవరు అడగకూడదు, ఈ రోజు ఇలానే ఉంటది, రైట్? Gas elimination. Is it clear now? Gas elimination method. Now compulsory in the first unit there is no topic to chance to living. Okay, now compulsory all the topics you have to prepare, and gas elimination is one of the important topic in the first unit. And what is the gas elimination method? Tell me, what is the process and what is the concept of gas elimination method? Finding the variable values. Finding the variable values. Right. Now, main concept is finding the variable values. How can we find out the variable values using the gas elimination? Gas elimination problem is we have the linear system. We have the given problem is linear system. Then we need to write the form of matrix notation. Again, we need to write the augmented matrix, change the augmented matrix into echelon form. Then simplify and solve the equations. We are getting the variable values. Any new topic is there in this? Previous consistent and inconsistent, what we are done totally, we are using in the gas elimination, and in this row operations only. Same as this, when we are using the echelon form, compulsory we need to use what ma? Row operations only. Is it clear, all of you? What is the gas elimination? The main concept of the gas elimination is finding the variable values. Okay. Now there is a given problem having the linear system of equation. In the linear system of equation, we have the variables are there. Those variables are maximum x, y, z are there. Okay. We need to find those variable values using the gas elimination. Mainly concept is row operations we can use. Write the matrix notation, write the augmented matrix, again change the augmented matrix into echelon form by using the row operations, again solve the reduced echelon form. Solve the reduced echelon form, again finding the solution, right? Then use the first problem write down by using the gas elimination. Solve the equations. Equations by gas elimination. By gas elimination, right? 2x plus y plus z equals to 10. 3x plus 2y plus 3z equals to 18. X plus 4y plus 9z, 9z equals to 16. Are you following, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. Now, already method name is compulsory mentioned in the question. Final examination also, method name is there in the question. There is no to identify. If at all the method name was not mentioned, then go to the consistent and inconsistent problem. If the method name is mentioned, then go through the gas elimination method, right? Compulsory mention. If not, then go for the consistent and inconsistent problem. Okay. Now here, gas elimination. So first of all, matrix notation of the given linear system. What is the matrix notation here? Ax equals to b, right? Now 2, 1, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 4, 9, right? Into variable matrix x, y, z. So that is equals to 10, 18, 16. Right. Next, immediately you can write the augmented matrix. Okay, what is augmented matrix? Combinations of the coefficient matrix and the constant matrix, right, ma? Then 2, 1, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 4, 9 with the 10, 18, 16, right? Now, say this is equation number 1. Now, change above matrix into what? Echelon. Very good. Echelon matrix. Now, in the echelon process, the first element be the pivotal element, right? Now, by using of this pivotal element, below dotted elements, we need to change into the zeros using only the row operations. And it is R2, R3. Then R2 changes to, tell me, R2 minus
3 by 2
minus 3R1.
3 by 2 R1.
3 by 2 R1. 3 by 2 R1. Right. Now R3 changes to, we have the 1 is there, here the pivotal element is a 2. Then R3 minus 1 by 2. R3 minus 1 by 2 R1. Is it clear? Now, the first row is the reduced augmented matrix 2, 1, 1, 10. The second row. Second row is what? R2 minus 3 by 2 R2. R1. This is a 0. Here 2 minus 3 by 2 into corresponding element is a 1. 4 minus 3, 1 by 2. Again 3. 3 minus 3 by 2 into again 1. 6 minus 3, 3 by 2. Again 18. 18 minus 3 by 2 into 10, 3, 2, 5, 15, 3. Is it clear? Any mistakes, ma? 2 minus 3 by 2, 4 minus 3, 1 by 2, 3 minus 3 by 2, 6 minus 3 by 2, 18 minus 5, right, that is 3 into 5. Then go for the R3. What is R3 here? R3 minus 1 by 2 R1. So this one is a 0. 4 minus 1 by 2 into corresponding is a 1. So 8 minus 1, 7 by 2. Is it clear? Next, 3 minus 1 by 2 into 1, 6 minus 1, 5 by 2. Let's go for, sorry, this is 9. 9 minus 1 by 2 into 1. So, 18, 17 by 2 this one. Right. Then go for the 16. 16 minus 1 by... ఏంటమ్మా పేరు పెట్టుకొని పిలుస్తున్నారు ఏంటి? విత్ యువర్ కాల్స్. మేడం అని పిలిస్తే సరిపోద్దమ్మా. Right. 2 5s are, so 11. Completed. So that is 11. Now, see, we have the 2 rows are the fractions are there. Okay. R2 row, R3 row, we have the 1 by 2 is there. Simply multiply 2 with R2 and R3. Then what we get? Only numerator part is there by the cancellation of 2 for the simple calculation. Anything wrong? 10, 0, 2 into 1 by 2, 1, 2 into 3 by 2, 3, 6, very good. 0, 7, 17, 22, very good. Next, the second row, second element with the pivotal, change this element. Okay. Now, R3 changes to R3 minus. By using of R2 second element, we need to change below element. Now using of R2, na 7 R2. Then the reduced. Yes. R3 minus 7 R2. దీన్ని తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఈ రెండింటినే చేయాలి. దీన్ని తీసుకున్నప్పుడు దీన్నే చేయాలి. R1 అంటే ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, దీన్ని కదా యూజ్ చేయాలి, దాని ఎగ్జాక్ట్ బ్యాక్ తీసుకోవాలి కదా. సో R3 minus 7 R2, so that is 2 1 1 10 0 1 3 6. R3 minus 7 R2, 0 minus 0, 7 minus 7 0, 17 minus 21 minus 4. Okay, 22 minus 42, 7 6 are 42, minus 20. Right, now the third row, third element with a pivotal, but we don't have any succeeding rows, then stop the procedure. Say this is equation number 2, right ma? Now equation 2 can be written as, equation 2 becomes, I'm going to split this matrix into the notation. How can we write it as 2 1 1 0 1 3 0 0 minus 4 into x y z. Already we have the variables are there and the reduced constants are 10 6 minus 20. Is it clear? Any doubts? Okay, now here కింద కనిపిస్తుందా? Right. Here again multiply and compare the elements. 2x first row with the first column, 2x plus y plus z equals to 10. Okay, next y plus 3z equals to 6 and minus 4z equals to minus 20, minus cancel, z equals to 5. Put z equals to 5 in this. 5 y plus 3 into 5 6, y equals to what? 6 minus 15 minus 11. Again put y and z in the first equation. 2x plus y plus z equals to 10. So 2x minus 11 plus 5 equals to 10. So 21 plus 5 26, x equals to 26 by 2, so that is 13. Therefore x equals to 13, y equals to minus 11 and z equals to 5. That is the Gauss elimination method. అదే చెప్పేది, అదే కదా ప్రొసీజర్ చెప్పింది. సేవ్, రైట్ డౌన్.
అడ్జస్ట్ ది స్క్రీన్.
అయ్యో నేను అదే చెప్తాను కదా. ఓకేనా? నాట్ ఓకే.
-9 కదా.
y వాల్యూ -9
మ్యామ్.
ఎక్కడ -9?
y is equal to
6 minus 15 equal to -9.
వెరీ గుడ్. కూర్చున్నారు ఇక్కడ ముద్ద పప్పులాగా. 6 minus 15 minus 9. ఏం చేయాలి ఇప్పుడు? వాట్ ఈస్ x వాల్యూ? 10 plus 9, 19 plus 5.
7.
ఏంటమ్మా? -9 plus 5 minus 4, minus 4 plus 10, that is 14.
7 ma'am.
7 14 by 2. బా ఇంటెలిజెంట్లు అయిపోతున్నారు. గుడ్, చేయండి. రిజల్ట్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత మాట్లాడతా. రాయండి. చూస్తాను. ఎగ్జామ్ హాల్లో చూస్తానమ్మా ఒక్కొక్కరి ఫేస్లు. ఒక్క 1 minute వెయిట్ చేయండి అమ్మ, స్క్రీన్ అడ్జస్ట్ చేస్తున్నా. కానీ ఓకేనా? ఓకే అమ్మా, బోర్డ్ ఓకేనా? ఇప్పుడు మొత్తం విజిబుల్గా ఉందా? చూసి చెప్పండి. బోర్డ్ అనేది ఎవరికైనా కనిపిస్తుంది, ఆఫ్లైన్ కాదు ఆన్లైన్ కాదు. Completed. Next problem. వద్దా? And this problem is a very important problem. Write down. About the Gauss elimination. 3x plus y plus 2z. 3x plus y plus 2z equals to 3. Next, 2x minus 3y minus z equals to minus 3. And x plus 2y plus z equals to 4. Same Gauss elimination, find the variable values. Now we have the three equations.
Madam, last problem x equal to 3 also, madam.
X equals to no
3, madam.
కాదమ్మా 7. Y equals to minus 9 kada. So minus 9 plus 5, that is a minus 4. Minus 4 taken right side, that is a plus 4. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 by 2, that is a 7. Correct only, ma. Now this problem say here. Here we have the linear system of equations is there. Now first of all, write the matrix notation. What is the matrix notation of the linear system of equation? Ax equals to b. Right? So that is 3, 1, 2, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 1, 2, 1. Clear? Into x variables are what here? X, y, z. So that is equals to 3 minus 3, 4. Completed. Now the augmented matrix is what? A dotted lines with the B. Here the augmented matrix can be written here what? 3, 1, 2, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 1, 2, 1. Constant matrix 3 minus 3, 4. Clear. Change the matrix into echelon form. Right? Now what is a pivotal? Same problem, huh? Previous problem, this is the same values. Now the first row, first element be the 3. So that is a pivotal. Change these two elements. Here R2 changes to, tell me, what is the row operation for R2?
R2 minus 2 by 3 into R1.
Very good. 2 by 3 R1. And R3 changes to, tell me. R3 minus 1 by 3.
1 by 3 into R1.
Very good. The augmented matrix is reduced. The first row is the constant. So that is here. R2 changes to R2 minus 2 by 3 R1. Anyway, the first element be the 0. Next to minus 3 minus 2 by 3 into here 1. So minus 9 minus 2 by 3. So that is minus 11 by 3. Clear? Then go for the third one. Minus 1 minus 2 by 3 into corresponding is a 2. Minus 3 minus 4 by 3. Minus 7 by 3. Clear? Then go for the last one. Minus 3 minus 2 by 3 into 3. Minus 9 minus 6. Minus 15 by... Sorry. 3 get cancelled. Here minus 2 minus 3. So that is a minus 5. Completed? Then go for the R3. What is R3 here? R3 is R3 minus 1 by 3. R3 anyway the first element by using the pivotal, that is a 0. 2 minus 1 by 3 is corresponding element is a 1. 6 minus 1, 5 by 3. And then go for the next 1 minus 1 by 3 into 2. 3 minus 2, 1 by 3 here. Then go for the last one. 4 minus 1 by 3 into 3. 3 get cancelled, that is a 3. Clear, ma? Okay, multiply with the 3. Again, we are removing the fraction part. Right? Multiply with 3 to R2 and R3. Then what we get here? 3, 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 11, minus 7, minus 15. Okay, so 0, 5, 1, 9. Clear, ma? Now the second row, second element be the pivotal. Okay, now change this element below. R3 changes to R3 plus. Those are the opposite signs. Then we have to take the place. R3 plus 5 by 11, R2. Very good. The reduced matrix is 3, 1, 2, 3. 0, minus 11, minus 7, minus 15. R3 is, this is a 0, this is also 0. This one we are finding now. 1 minus 5 by 11 into 7. Okay. 11 minus 35 by 11. What is the value? 4, 2. Minus 24 by 11, right? Okay. Minus 24 by 11. Then go for the next. 9 minus 5 by 11 into 15, right? 99 minus 75 by 11.
15.
3 multiply. I multiply the 3 to the R2 and R3. Okay? Any doubts? And take LCM, that is 11. 99 minus 15 paisa, 75. What is the value? 24 by 11. So this one also 24 by 11. Now select the third row, third element be the pivotal. So we don't have any succeeding rows. Then stop the procedure. That is the echelon form. Again say this is equation number 2. Equation 2 can be in Ax equals to B, we have to write. So that is what? 3, 1, 2 and దాన్ని మల్టిప్లై చేసుకొని నెక్స్ట్ సక్సీడింగ్ ఏమైనా చేంజెస్ ఏది ఉందా? లేదు. ఎందుకు? నాకు ఇక్కడ సక్సీడింగ్ ఉంది, నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ ఉంది కాబట్టి చేసుకున్నాను. ఇక్కడ అవసరం లేనప్పుడు ఎందుకు? అక్కడ సింప్లిఫై అయిపోద్దిగా. సో 3, 1, 2, 0, minus 11, minus 7, 0, 0, minus 24 by 11 and into variable matrix x, y, z. So that is equals to what here? 3 minus 15, 24 by 11. Okay. Now multiply the two matrices and compare with the constant matrix, right? So that is 3x plus y plus 2z equals to 3 and minus 11y minus 7z equals to minus 15 and minus 24 by 11 z equals to 24 by 11. The question కి ఆన్సర్ చూడు. ఇక్కడ 11 తో మల్టిప్లై చేయమన్నావుగా, ఇక్కడ చేస్తే ఇలా వచ్చేదా 24/7 24/11 24/11 కట్ అయిపోయింది. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ ఇంకో స్టెప్ ఎందుకు మ్యాట్రిక్స్ రాయడం అవసరం లేదు. సో z ఈక్వల్స్ టు -1. అగైన్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ z ఈక్వల్స్ టు -1. -11y minus into minus plus 7 plus 15. So that is equals to 0. Minus 11y equals to minus 22. Y equals to 2. Right? Next, put y and z in first equation. 3x plus y plus 2z equals to 3. 3x plus 2 plus z equals to -1, that is -2 equals to 3. 2 cancel, x equals to 1. X equals to 1, y equals to 2 and z equals to -1. Write down all of you. In the offline and online students, please write this problem. This is the important problem for the practice purpose. Okay? Total problem is visible, ma? Board lo kaadu, online lo.
మ్యామ్ ఆఫ్లైన్ కి వచ్చిరా మ్యామ్?
Offline?
స్టూడెంట్స్ వచ్చారా మ్యామ్?
ఉన్నారు. 5 monkeys ఉన్నాయి.
ఆన్లైన్ అని పెట్టిరుగా మ్యామ్ వాట్సాప్ లో.
Completed, ma? Write the homework problems about the gas elimination, and I will give the consistent problems, homework problems after this class. Right? Write the homework problems. ఇక్కడ ఏదైనా ఒకటి చేంజ్ అయింది అనుకో ఫోన్ కింద పడుతుంది. And these are the previous problems same. X plus 2y minus 3z equals to 9, 2x minus y plus z equals to 0, 4x minus y plus z equals to 4. Next, three x plus y plus 2z equals to 3 and 2x minus 3y minus z equals to minus 3 and x plus 2y plus z equals to 4. And the last one, x plus 2y plus 3z equals to 1, 2x plus 3y plus 8z equals to 2, x plus y plus z equals to 3. These are the homework problems. Is now completed? Yes, all of you completed this homework problems? And these are the previous important problems, right? Next, Gauss-Jordan. Find inverse by Gauss-Jordan. Okay, we need to find the inverse of the given matrix by using the Gauss-Jordan method. And just we can use only the row operations in this. Okay, now using the row operations, we need to change the given matrix into normal form. Only using the row operations. Okay, and we need to write that one, capital A equals to IA. IA. What is the formula of Gauss-Jordan? Capital A equals to IA when we are using the row operations. And we have the chance for column operations also. Then what is the formula? A equals to AI. But don't use that one. And you have to use only the row operations. Already we are so many problems done using the Gauss elimination and consistent problems. So that's why you have to use only the row operations. And what is the formula Gauss-Jordan? A equals to IA. Then write the first problem. 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, minus 3, minus 2, minus 4, minus 4. Clear? Then, what is the given matrix order? 3 by 3. And what is the formula of Gauss-Jordan? Capital A equals to IA. Then we need to take the I matrix order. So that is what here? Rows. So that is 3 by 3. Okay? The number of rows equals to the identity matrix order. That order is the square matrix. Okay? So what is capital A here? The given matrix 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, minus 3, minus 2, minus 4, minus 4. So this is a given matrix which is equals to I3 is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Is it clear? And A. Simply we can write capital A is as it is. Change LS LHS matrix into the normal form using the row operations, then we are getting the inverse of this matrix. Okay, now change LHS matrix into normal form using only the row operations. Same. Again, what is the pivotal here? This one is a pivotal element. By using this, we need to change these two elements into the zeros, right? Now, R2 changes to what? R2 minus R1. And R3 changes to R3 plus 2R1. Are you following, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next. Here what? 1, 1, 3. And 1 minus 1, 0, R2 minus R1. 1 minus 1, 0. 3 minus 1, 2. Minus 3, minus 3. Minus 6. Go for R3. R3 plus 2, R1. Minus 2 plus 2, 0. Minus 4 plus 2, minus 2. Minus 4 plus 6, 2. Okay? So that is equals to, here 1, 0, 0. R2 minus R1. 0 minus 1, minus 1, 1 minus 0, 1, 0 minus 0. Right. R3 plus 2 R1, 0 plus 2, 2, 0. And 1 plus 0, 1 into capital A is as it is. Next, the first row, first element be the pivotal completed. Then go for the second row, second element. Okay, now that is a pivotal. Now, by using of this pivotal, all of you listen carefully. By using of this pivotal, change this element. So far we completed. Now by using of this, change this element also, above and below, at a time. Okay, the step 1 is completed right now. In the step 1, by using of this, these two elements completed, ma. Then go for the step 2. What is the step 2? The second row, second element be the pivotal. By using of this pivotal, change above element and below element into the zeros using only the row operations. Okay. Now this one. First I am going to write the R3. R3 changes to R3 plus R2. And R1 changes to R1 minus 1 by 2 R2. By using of this only, I need to change this element into the zero. Succeeding element by preceding element. This is succeed outundi. Succeed element by preceding element. Right, all of you? Now here, first R1. What is R1? R1 changes to R1 minus 1 by 2 R2. Okay. So 1 minus 1 by 2 into 0, that is a 0. Is it clear? 1. Here 1 minus 1 by 2 into 2. 2 to get cancelled, 1 minus 1. Here it is a 0. Next 3 minus 1 by 2 into minus 6. Is it clear? So 2 3s are 3 plus 3 6. Completed the first row. Okay na? Then second row is a constant. Okay na? 0 2 minus 6. Then R3 is what? R3 plus R2 simply 0 0. Here 2 minus 6 minus 4. LHS matrix completed, ma. Then go for the RHS. What is RHS? R1 changes to R1 minus 1 by 2 R2. Is it clear? So 1 minus of minus plus 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2, which is 3 by 2. Next 0 minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. 0 plus 0. 0. Is it clear, all of you? Okay. Next R2 is constant. Minus 1, 1, 0. What is R3? R3 plus R2. So 2 plus 1. So that is 2 minus 1, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. And 1 plus 0, 1 into capital A. Then the step 2 is completed here, which is a step 2. In the step 2, which is a pivotal element, this is a pivotal element. In the step 1, this is a pivotal element, right? Now we go for the step 3, which is a pivotal element. This one is a pivotal element. We don't have any succeeding rows, but we have the preceding rows are there. Change these two elements into the zeros. Okay, using of R3 third element. R3 third element be the pivotal element, right? Now, here R1 changes to, simply I'm going to change R3 changes to R3 into minus 1 by 4 R. Minus 1 by 4, 1 by 4 into R3. Why? Because 1, 0, 6, 0, 2, minus 6, 0, 0, 1. Clear? So that is equals to 3 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 0, minus 1, 1, 0. Here R3 into minus 1 by 4. So this is minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4 and minus 1 by 4 into A. Why? Because the R3 third element we are getting the 1 for that purpose. Okay, now R1 changes to, this element we need to change into the 0 by using of this one. What is the row operation here? R1 changes to R1 minus 6R3, right? Okay. Now R2 changes to R2 plus 6R3. Is it clear? Any doubts, ma? ఇదా 6 ని 4 ని చేసి మళ్ళీ చేయాలి. అప్పుడు సక్సీడింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఏమవుతుంది? 6 by 4. 2 3s are 2 2s are. అర్థం కాలేదు. క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ లో పోతుంది. సో పివోటల్ ఎలిమెంట్ మనకి ఈజీగా 1 అయిపోతే ఇక్కడ సింపుల్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఫర్ దట్ పర్పస్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు టేక్. ఇది మీకు అర్థం అవ్వలేదు అంటే డైరెక్ట్ గా R1 కి ఆపరేషన్ ఏమవుతుంది? ఇప్పుడు R1 చేంజెస్ టు R1 ప్లస్ 6 by 4 R3. 6 by 4 ని ప్రతి ఒక్క ఎలిమెంట్ we need to multiply. 6 by 4 into R3 is the easy, or 6 R3 is the easy. Okay, now here R1 changes to R1 minus 6 R3. 1 minus 0, 1. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. Hype in the calculation part. So second row R2 plus 6 R3. 0 plus 0 and 2 plus 0, 2. Minus 6 plus 6, 0. What 3? Constant. 0 0 1. Okay, so that is equals to R1 minus 6 R3. Here 3 by 2 minus into minus plus 6 by 4. So 2 2s are 2 3s are 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2, 6 by 2. So that is a 3. Clear? Next minus 1 by 2 minus 6. Minus 1 by 2 minus 6. Minus 1 minus 12 by 2 minus 13 by 2. Clear? So this is the minus 6 by 4, that is 2 by 3. Minus 3 by 2. Minus into minus plus, that is a 3 by 2. The first row completed. Go for the second row here. R2 plus 6 R3. Minus 1 minus 6 by 4. 2 3s are 2 2s are minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 by 2. Then go for the second one. 1 minus 6 by 4. 2 3s are 2 2s are minus 1 by 2. Again minus 6 by 4. So that is minus 3 by 2. The last row is the constant minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4. Is it clear? Now the LHS matrix is a normal form or identity matrix, that is? Why? Because the second row, second element is a 2 is there. Again multiply. Which one? R2 into 2 into 2 4 అవుతుంది గా 1 by 2 multiply 1 by 2 to R2. Then what we get here? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Again this operation to the left right side. 3 minus 3 by 2 3 by 2. Again this is what? Minus 5 by 4. 1 by 2 is multiplied. Minus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Again 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 into capital A. This is the inverse. Which one is the inverse? This matrix is the inverse of the given matrix. Is it clear? Write down. All the problem is visible, ma? See the problem is visible. Total problem is visible.
Visible, ma'am.
Okay, write down. Gas elimination. నేను గాస్ చూడడం అవసరం లేదు. కొంచెం టాపిక్స్. Now it is clear. Completed. Gauss Jordan is 50-50 chances. So you have to practice. There is no chance to leave the Gauss Jordan, but not more weightage. But you have to prepare Gauss Jordan, right? And the last topic in the first unit is Gauss ideal iteration method. Are you following all of you?